In this example, I open up a file and I go to the top view, and I see that that view is skewed. And let's assume then that there are hundreds of other parts that were placed in this assembly that are not fully constrained with this initial part. And so to constrain all of those parts would take some time and effort. And we need to place a drawing view, and we don't want to go through the trouble of reconstraining or fully constraining all of those components. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this face and hold down the control key and select that face, and then I'm going to say normal to, and it's going to look directly at that face. And then I want to create a view, a custom view based on this orientation. And so I'm going to come up here, and I will say create a new view, and I'm going to call this custom view. Now let's call this custom front view, and I'll say OK to that. And then if I then go to my drawing, I find my custom front view, and then I can drag that view onto the sheet, and then I can do projected views as needed from this custom view, and everything will be lined up.